little yogis. Are you ready to stretch, move, and have fun? Let's go on a magical yoga adventure.
Stand up nice and tall. Bring your feet together. Now place your hands together in front of your heart. Now stand in same position and raise your both hands. On mountain position, now slowly tilt on the right. Hold for 20 seconds. Keep your feet together. Slowly bend backward. Now place both hands on your lower back. Keep your feet together. Now slowly bend forward from your hips. Reach your hands toward the floor. Start in downward dog. Place both hands firmly on the floor. Lift one foot off the ground. Place both hands firmly on the floor. Keep one foot on the mat. Now lift your other leg high toward the sky. Come on to your hands and feet. Place your hands under your shoulders. Bend your knees. With one foot in front, step your other foot back. Bring your hands behind your back. Keep your feet together. Now slowly lift both arms up high. Bring your palms together above your head. One big step forward. Bend your front knee. Now lift both arms high above your head. Take one big step forward. Bend your front knee and stretch the other. Stretch both arms out to the sides. One foot. Slowly lean your body forward. Place one hand on the floor. Lift your other leg up high. Turn one foot forward. Keep both legs straight. Reach one hand down to your foot. Stretch your other arm up to the sky. Both legs straight. Now slowly bend forward from your hips. Reach one hand toward your opposite foot. Place your other front of you. Stretch your other leg straight behind. Slowly lean your body forward. Come onto your hands and feet.